Hello everyone, welcome back to LTech Empower, my YouTube channel that empowers educators and students with educational technology tips and resources. I am a technology integration specialist and my job is to help you effectively integrate technology into your school work to improve your teaching and learning outcomes. Today, I will introduce you to Claude extension. With this powerful tool, you can effortlessly summarize any YouTube video without spending valuable time watching it. Claude simplifies your video watching experience by condensing lengthy content into concise summaries, allowing you to focus on what matters most. So, let's get started. How do you install this handy extension? Simply head to the Claude website. Once here, choose between your preferred browser and click Install. Alternatively, you can access Claude extension on Chrome Web Store. Search for YouTube Summary with ChatGPT and Claude. Click this option. Click Add to Chrome to install the Claude extension. Once installed, navigate to YouTube and select the video you want to summarize. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'll select this video. On the right-hand side of the video player, you would find Transcript and Summarize option. Click on it and voila, you have access to the video transcript. Now, let's explore what you can do with this feature-packed extension. You can copy the transcript in plain text or jump to the current time in the video. But the real gem lies in the AI-generated summary. By clicking View AI Summary, you will be seamlessly directed to your ChatGPT account, where the magic happens. The extension just saved me 15 minutes from watching Moinina talks about the features and functionalities of online assessment applications. If you go back to the setting of the Claude extension, you can change the AI model that do the summary for you. For example, you can choose Claude or the different version of GPTs. And from here, you can also choose your preferred language. And then you can also change the prompt. For now, the default is summarize the following in 5 bullet points. So you can also change this prompt to whatever these are. These are some of the examples that you can choose from, or maybe you can come up with your own. So there you have it, a revolutionary tool to streamline your YouTube experience. Say goodbye to endless video watching and hello to sufficient summary with Claude. Thank you for watching.